on this time, eh? Woo! Thanks, Papa. What's this name very well? Woo! I want you to get on the tune from them time there. Look at them used to dance out in festival them and festival songs dropping a man. You know this early part. Watch out now. Look at them used to scam. Oh, keep them on. Watch out now. And if you want to get good stand up. That's what the walk is to keep it that way. Yes, sir. So what? I know what I'm going to do. It's on the early part of the 60s, our faster music used to play now. We can drop legs. You remember it here? You remember it here in the early 60s, we can drop legs? Yeah. Let me show them how them used to dance this Friday now. Simmer down and right now! Early part of the 70s, you know, when the people is still on festival, look at them, this is one of the biggest festivals, and look at the music dancing. Drop it there for me now. Rock steady time. Rock steady time. Junkie. Atlantic. Yeah, man. Watch the shoulder now. Mama. That is how they used to enjoy themselves in the 60s or early 70s. But then things change. When the 70s drop in, you know, you have some boy coming and call themselves rude boy and rude, they don't fear no one. When them come, it was a rubber this time. Don't let them people can manage them thing there. Rude, they just not fear no one and them smoke them weed and them just rubber up and let me show you what I want. Drop the next song there. It was the time when the Rastafari and the bumping. And not to Johnny Waki and poor grandma Ola. You don't fear no one. Leave here! Leave here! So Rudy just have smoke the king and stop. And any girl pass get rope in. And them used to ride a bike named S90. Them used to ride a bike named S90. And when them daughter them coming, them have to give them a right value. Yeah, right on the S90 for me now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Zion. So jump on the bike, because I'm sharp people. And I'm going to run through town and leave it. This is all I do. Hold on tight. Put on, yeah, man. You put that ball. Sit down for the right, man. It was the days of reggae music. and we used to have a thing called rubber dub. You know, big people alone used to go dance, and it was a surprise, and the men held on to their ladies and danced rubber dub while they were smoking the thing. I hope the officer don't lock them up tonight, you know. Alright, big shot. Reggae music, rubber dub style. This is how they used to do it. Come on. It's not rude and rude, it's a culture, you hear? You see, the songs used to tell us a little thing, you know, just like what Granny used to tell the song of a message show. Next track, I used to while them have them burn them weed. And people are watching, people are like the thing, so them inform from them. Run the track. What are they saying here? And some wicked skanking. While the neighbors are looking around you, and them people them are burning shit, and them are like the old guys and things, so they just free by I said them are like programming, but I watch the weed and watch over them, and them are like the uptown people, so them call the police. Next track to me. And while them people are dancing, everything on. Yeah man, this is the 70s. This is the 70s. We have the sound system coming up, and every sound for them are different sound. So you know, the proof for the best sound, you saw a thing here, sound clash. With this sound, I could play better music than that song. So I want to hear me. You say, all of you over here, all of you down here from the show, and your song is right here. Right here. Mellow tune and hi-fi, so when I play music, you real for them. Make nice for them, alright? And when the sound that play, you move them, alright? And over here, sir, how are you over here, sir? This is your song, right here. Right here? Super force hi-fi, alright? When you select it, come in selector, and bring your crowd too. We're going to have a real soul clash, I know, tune to tune, dub to dub, alright? So we're going to make, what is sound here? We're going to make Melotone first play, first up. Find the dub off and put on the first up. Where you call it? Remember you put shout to them here. Put on the dub, run it! Alright. Make some sound to your soul! Listen it! Alright, put the band on again, man. Watch me, alright? Don't fit them with the make some out! Alright, you have to answer now. All you see now, one play and then the other one answer. Your dub dub off. Remember, play your song this. Look at here. Drop the dub. Drop the dub. Cheer to your soul. Find a better dub the box. Find a better one. Drop it. Drop it. Come on. final dub now. This is where you prove which song are the baddest song. Alright? So give me a hot dub and over. Chop it. is the culture, right? Whether sports day or dancehall, we love to clash in a friendly way, right? Are we sorry? Are we sorry? Are we sorry? Well, it's a draw. That is round one. Next week, I'm going to have a draw. But you see, the 1980s came. And when the 1980s came, you know, things changed. Because the company come in and they start generating rhythm. And everybody wants a song of a vote a song. And it was a time when the ICI and the informal commercial importers went to foreign and come up with all sorts of songs and dance to the ladies. And when the ladies dress up and them wig and them hair and them things, they don't want them dance to them. So we got that era now called dancehall in the early 80s. When the girls don't start off. Let's see how the girls don't start off in the 1980s. Dancehall. Oh, not that. New dancehall, you can't play music too long because there's plenty of them. Every week or every day, 10 different dance come out. This is another one that was around in the 90s. Come on, girl, show me again. It's called Spooky. Everyone in the family. Spooky. Remember, you can do it too. Go down to the middle of the summer. What you know? We don't get dancehall too long. In the 90s, early 2000s, the dancehall escalated. It got a little influence with the hip-hop from America, you know? And got a little fast and so forth, and a lot of artists started to cross over. Let's see the ladies again in the early 2000s with dancehall, and the men are yearning to dance. Let's go, next track.
Just give me the light. Just give me the light.
The men in like what I want, you know. The men in like what I want, but they're not going to dance and they get jealous and start form some crew and start do some dancing too. Next track, Mr. Selector. Dance for Celebrate in the new millennium. This man is walking in and saying,
Another party, another party, oh my God, they've got up on
shut it down. Man look very handsome in a uniform.